Sri Gurubhyo Namah children, welcome to online training initiative Ekalaiva. Already we are discussing about the topic alcohols, phenols and ethers. In last class I told about the chemical properties of phenol. We have started with the chemical properties of phenols. Only few reactions I explained yesterday in the last video. Today we are going to see the remaining properties of phenol. I want everybody to be ready with your notebook. I am going to write the chemical properties one by one. I want everybody to write along with me so that it will be a practice for you. So one time you can write here, one time if you practice as homework, you will have clarity in the concept. Okay, are you ready children? Let me write the chemical properties. The next property we are going to discuss is bromination of phenol. Bromination of phenol. What is bromination? Adding bromine. Bromination of phenol. We are going to add bromine to phenol. Addition of bromine. Addition of bromine. Addition of bromine to phenol. Addition of bromine to phenol in carbon disulfide. Addition of bromine to phenol in carbon disulfide. So we are going to see what happens when phenol undergoes bromination. So bromination means we are adding bromine to phenol. Phenol is converted into bromo derivative. We are going to convert phenol into bromophenol. Let me see the bromine atom where it is substituted in the benzene ring. So we are going to talk about the addition of bromine to phenol. Okay, let me see the reaction. Write phenol now. Phenol undergoes bromination. This is phenol. Phenol undergoes bromination in carbon disulfide. What is the reagent? Carbon disulfide. And what is the temperature condition? 273 Kelvin. So, phenol undergoes bromination in the presence of carbon disulfide at 273 Kelvin. Let me see how bromine atoms are added to phenol. I am getting two different types of substituted products. One is in the ortho position, bromine is substituted. What is ortho position? So I told about the ortho and para positions in benzene ring. 1,2 and 1,6. They are ortho positions. 1,2 and 1,6 are ortho positions. 1,4 is a para position. 1,4 is a para position. So here bromine is added to phenol. There are two possibilities. This bromine attacks the benzene ring, that is bromine attacks phenol in two different places. In two different corners, we are going to see ortho position where bromine is attached to the ortho position of phenol. I told about the ortho positions. There are two ortho positions in benzene ring, 1,2 and 1,6. Only one para position, 1,4. And there are two meta position, 1,3 and 1,5. So here the bromine, which is the incoming group, so it is an incoming group. So it will attack the benzene ring either in the ortho or in the para position. So you will be getting ortho substituted or para substituted product. So if you substitute bromine in the ortho position, so this is ortho position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,2 position. So ortho position. So this is ortho substituted product. What I have done in the ortho position, I have removed one carbon. Listen here. I am removing one, what is that? Hydrogen, sorry, I am removing one hydrogen from here. Each carbon will have hydrogen. Is it not? So this ortho position carbon have hydrogen, I am removing that hydrogen. And in the place of hydrogen, what is substituted? Bromine is substituted. So this hydrogen is removed from here and it reacts with one more bromine. So one bromine will be positive, another bromine will be negative. So this positive will go and attack the benzene ring. So it is the electrophile. It is an electrophile. And another bromine which is negative, which will go and attack the hydrogen. So what is removed here? HBr. So what is the byproduct we are getting here? Hydrogen bromide, which is a byproduct. What is the main product we are getting here? You will get orthobromophenol, or we can write it as 2-bromophenol. 2-bromophenol. Phenol is the parent. Phenol is the parent. So the first carbon to second carbon. Ortho position 1, 2. Bromine is substituted in the second carbon. The ortho position. So second carbon substitution is taking place. So what is the atom I have substituted? What is the electrophile? Br plus. Is it not? So it is attacking the second carbon. What is that? 2-bromophenol. Or if it is in the fourth carbon, so here what is that? We can call it as 4-bromophenol. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. This is 1, 4 position. 1, 4 means para. Or we can write this as, what is that? 4-bromophenol. 4-bromophenol or para-bromophenol. Para-bromophenol. 2-bromophenol or para position bromine. 1, 4 position, para position. In para position, bromine is substituted. Either you can write 4-bromophenol or we can call it as para-bromophenol. So this reaction talks about the bromination of phenol. Phenol is brominated. That means what? We are adding bromine. Out of 2 bromine atoms, Br2, one is Br plus, another one is Br minus. What is this Br plus? Electrophile. Actually, it is electrophilic substitution reaction, is it not? We are going to substitute the electrophile in the benzene ring. As a result, what we are going to remove? One of the hydrogen is removed from the benzene ring and is substituted by an electrophile here. So this Br plus, there are 2 possibilities. It will attack the benzene ring either in the ortho position or para position. In such a case, there are 2 possibilities. You will be getting orthobromophenol or 2-bromophenol and para-bromophenol or 4-bromophenol. Here the substitutions are taking place at 1, 2 ortho and 1, 4 para positions. Why this bromine is added to the ortho para positions? Because that is ortho and para positions are rich in electrons. Electron density will be greater at ortho and para position. Actually, the incoming group, what is the incoming group here? Br plus. It is electron deficient. It doesn't have electron. It is an electrophile. It needs electron. So where it will go? It will go and attack the benzene ring at the electron rich sites. Wherever electron rich is greater, in those places there will be, what is that? Electrophile will go and attack those areas. So here when you talk about the benzene ring, in this case ortho and para positions are electron dense. Density will be greater. Negative charge will be greater at the ortho and para position. So the incoming group, which is an electrophile, here Br plus, attacks the benzene ring in ortho para positions, giving ortho substituted and para substituted product. So when you talk about ortho and para substituted product, major product will be 90% para product, which is major. So we are getting 90% of para substituted product which is a major product in this case. When you talk about the ortho product, so what is that? We can get it only 2-bromophenol. We are obtaining at what is that minor product where we are getting only 10%. So there is only 10% possibility of 2-bromophenol which is a minor product, whereas 90% of possibility is there for para-bromophenol or 4-bromophenol which is obtained as a major product. So here bromination, there are two different substitutions, ortho substituted, para substituted. Ortho substituted, the maximum possibility is only 10%. So I am getting as a minor product 2-bromophenol or ortho-bromophenol as a minor product. 90% possibility is at the para position. So I am getting 90% para-bromophenol or 4-bromophenol which is a para substituted product where we are getting as a major product. The next one we are going to talk about what happens when phenol undergoes bromination with what is that bromine water. So phenol, when it is treated with bromine water, so this is bromine water. So when phenol, what is the undergoes bromination with bromine water, what is the product we are getting here? You write phenol acetate. You see the substitutions taking place at second carbon, fourth carbon as well as sixth carbon. Listen here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. Listen here, see the substitutions. There are substitutions at the second carbon, fourth carbon as well as sixth carbon. 3 bromine atoms are attached here. In the previous case, I got 2 different isomers, ortho and para isomers, where only 1 bromine atom has been introduced either in the ortho or para position. Now in this case there are substitutions at 3 corners. Bromine, there are 3 bromine atoms substituted at 3 different positions. What are they? Second carbon, fourth carbon and sixth carbon. So definitely I am going to remove 1 hydrogen from here. Here also 1 hydrogen is removed. And here also 1 hydrogen is removed. So all the 3 hydrogen atoms are removed from the second carbon, fourth carbon and sixth carbon. How many hydrogen atoms are removed? 3 hydrogen atoms are removed and 3 bromine atoms are substituted. So here out of 6 bromine, 3 bromine atoms are substituted in the benzene ring. 3 more bromine atoms are left behind. So 3 hydrogen atoms are remaining and 3 bromine atoms are remaining. They are combined to give 3 HBr. They are combined to give 3 HBr. What is HBr? Hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen bromide. So what is the main product we are getting here? 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So you will be getting a white precipitate. A white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. In the previous case, only 1 bromine is added either in the ortho or para position. So I got ortho bromophenol and para bromophenol in the previous case, where major product is para bromophenol 90%. Minor product is ortho bromophenol 10%. In the next case, I am adding bromine water to phenol. See the substitution here. Substitution is taking place at 3 different carbon. Second carbon, fourth carbon and sixth carbon. How many bromine atoms are substituted? 3 bromine atoms are substituted. How many hydrogen has to be removed from the benzene ring? 3 hydrogen. 1 from second carbon, 1 from fourth carbon, 1 from sixth carbon. So 3 hydrogen atoms are removed. See the reactant there, bromine water, there are 6 bromine atoms. 3 bromine atoms are substituted in the benzene ring, 3 more bromine atoms are remaining. I have removed 3 hydrogen from benzene ring, so these 3 hydrogen combines with 3 bromine to form 3 HBr. What is HBr? Hydrogen bromide. What is the product I am getting here? 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. So, which is here white precipitate 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol with the liberation of HBr. The next reaction, Coles reaction. What is the next reaction? Coles reaction. All these are naming reactions, very, very important in the exam. So, actually, here they can ask like this, convert phenol into salicylic acid. Convert phenol into salicylic acid or orthohydroxybenzoic acid or hydroxybenzoic acid. So, convert phenol into salicylic acid. They will be asking questions like this. You will not get the naming reaction directly. Indirectly, they will be asking the questions in the exam. Convert, here they will be asking as conversions. Convert phenol into salicylic acid. Let me see how the reaction is taking place. Write down phenol. So, what is the first step? Phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide. Phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide. What is removed here? Hydrogen from phenol and OH from sodium hydroxide. Listen here. Phenol reacts with NaOH. Phenol has hydrogen. Hydrogen from phenol, OH from NaOH combines to give water. So, these two are combined to give water. So, what is eliminated? Water is eliminated. What is the main product we are getting here? In the place of hydrogen, sodium is substituted. What you are getting? Sodium phenoxide. What you are getting here? Sodium phenoxide. What is the compound we are getting here? Sodium phenoxide. So, phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide, hydrogen from phenol and OH from sodium hydroxide, they are removed as water. What is substituted? In the place of hydrogen, sodium is substituted. So, what is the compound I am getting here? I am getting a salt here which is sodium phenoxide with the liberation of water. This is first step. What is the second step? This sodium phenoxide, when it is heated with carbon dioxide, see the condition, this reaction is very important with the condition, heating symbol, triangle symbol, carbon dioxide, CO2, 4 to 7 atmosphere, 400 Kelvin, all these are important conditions, sodium phenoxide, heating symbol, carbon dioxide, 4 to 7 atmosphere, 400 Kelvin. So, what is the compound we are getting here? Draw the benzene ring. Listen here, Na is removed from here. So, it will have only O minus. Listen here, this Na is removed and substituted here. In this place, hydrogen is added, hydrogen is removed and this hydrogen is substituted here. So, what you will get? OH. So, hydrogen from this carbon is eliminated and added to oxygen. So, here in the place of hydrogen, what is substituted? COO can be written as COO, CO2 can be written as COO. And this Na is added here. What is the compound we are getting here? Sodium salicylate. What is the next step? The sodium salicylate on acidification, I am adding acid. Acidification. So we are adding acid. What is the compound we are getting here? NaCl is removed. Sodium chloride is removed from here. What is the product I am getting here? In the place of NaH is substituted. What is the product I am getting here? C6H5OH COOH. What is the name of this compound? Salicylic acid. What is the name of this compound? Salicylic acid. So this reaction is Coles reaction. I have started with phenol. Phenol with sodium hydroxide gave sodium phenoxide with the liberation of water. What is the next step? Sodium phenoxide, heating symbol, carbon dioxide, 400 Kelvin, 4 to 7 atmosphere. What is substituted there? Na is removed from ONA, and in the place of Na, what is substituted? Hydrogen is substituted. And this Na is removed and attached with the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, I am writing it as COO. So COO is added to Na. It becomes COO-Na, which is attached to the, what is that, ortho position. So here I am getting a compound called sodium salicylate, which is a salt. The sodium salicylate on further acidification. Acidification means what? We are adding acid. So when HCl is added, Na from sodium salicylate and Cl from HCl will be removed as NaCl, and in the place of Na, what is substituted? Hydrogen is substituted. You will be getting a product called salicylic acid. So this is the method where phenol is converted into salicylic acid. If they are asking direct question, they will be asking about Coles reaction. Write a note on Coles reaction, or they will be asking convert phenol into salicylic acid. Okay, up to this I am stopping, children. Thank you. If you like this video, you please click the subscribe button. You will get the latest updates of our online lessons.